Hi guys, welcome back to the Chao kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a special Christmas recipe and I'm going to call it White Christmas Frappuccino. And it's going to be a blueberry cheesecake. Let's start. So what do we need? Very simple. We just need milk, we need the cheesecake, we need our nut syrup. I'll put a little bit of vanilla syrup just to make it smell better. And then we have the whipped cream. And of course, the most important one, so that it blends really smoothly, we're going to use the Frappe Base. So let's get started. So I'm going to put 3 ounces of fresh milk. And then I'm going to put 1.5 ounces of the milk syrup. I already showed you how to make this. Go back to my other videos. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Just 1.5 ounces of the milk syrup. That's it. Just for additional taste, I'm going to put 15 ml or half ounce now. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to put 1 heap or 1 tablespoon of Frappe Base. Then, just so that it really tastes like blueberry cheesecake, I'm going to add a small piece of cheesecake. So I'll just take a small cut. Don't put the blueberry at this time. I really want it to look white. So I'm going to put a small piece of blueberry cheesecake there. And then I'll need half cup or 2/3 cup full of ice. Okay. Make sure no water. So I just want my frappe to be really, really icy because that's what frappe is supposed to be. So that's it. And then we are going to blend this for at least 45 seconds. Should be really white, really smooth. So let's pour it in our cup. Perfect. Should be just about there. It's already beginning to look like Christmas. Make it even whiter with whipped cream. I want it to look really white. Yep. Okay. I'm going to put my cheese topping. A little bit of this blueberry. Then put the lid on. There's your beautiful White Christmas Frappuccino. This is actually blueberry cheesecake. Anyway, let's try it. Oh my God, it's to die for. Wow. I love cheese and I eat too much of it. And then drinking it is another experience. Heaven. So once in a while, try this Frappuccino, this White Christmas Frappe. We will have it available to Chao as soon as we can. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.